your girl Capri, better known as Pretty Major here on YouTube, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing crochet slash individual passion twist. I got this braid pattern from a girl on YouTube that I love watching. She does amazing crochet videos. Her name is Mary Kay Bella. Hey girl. I'll link her video that I watched down below to do my braid pattern. But it's basically just, I have some rubber bands. So yes, there's rubber bands. You don't have to use rubber bands. You could just braid it and do this without the rubber band. Well, so I did 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 of individuals. So in total there are 10 rows from here to like the middle of my head, and then I joined them together in the back. So this is what the back looks like. I'm sorry, the parts are not going to be perfect. It's just my hair, so for myself and stuff like that, my shoulders and arms be dead. So I'll go all the way across because I don't want my tail to be on the edge. So I start here, go up, get to a certain point, then I start on this side, go up until that one, there's one tail towards the middle of my head, and then I just kind of crochet it through. Let's just go ahead and look at the hair now. So I got this from X Trend on Amazon. I purchased it on Amazon for about like $60 and like 98 cents or something like that. It comes with 6 bundles, so I'll leave a link to the their Amazon store down below. It is 22 inches long. Let me back up. So yeah, if I start here, it is 22 inches long, and of course if you get shorter lengths it's a little bit cheaper. So there's 15 in each bundle. Also, another tip when it comes to like the braids that I have in the back, and if you do have a lot of chunkier braids in the back of your head like I do, see how they're really thick, do not go under the braid and go around the whole entire braid, because when you close it, it's just not going to lock. It's where you have to like tighten it like every single day or every couple of minutes or hours. You don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to find, okay, so we'll do this braid right here. I know it's like all over the place, but it's kind of thick. You don't want to go under that whole entire braid. So I stay near the surface. Where that braid goes, right here. Stay near the surface, and what I do is I take it and I go through the top of the braid. See how there's only like this much hair? Take the twists. I kind of open it a little bit, make the hole a little bigger. So I love twists. You can make the hole bigger, and it'll go right back to how it was. You put it on the latch, close the hook, you can open up some more if you need to, and when you pull it through, it's tight. You don't want that knot to be super big, because it really won't be a knot. It'll just kind of be an opening with like a piece of hair coming through. Okay, so now because, well, I didn't finish the back, I'm still on pack number 3. I'll fill these in after I've pretty much finished the rest of my head. So as long as I got a bunch in the back, I'll fill in the spaces towards the end. This way I make sure that I have enough hair to cover everything, which I should. So far I've been going in like this, and that leaves, when you go up like this, it leaves the knot at the top. But because I am going to end up probably wearing this half up half down because it's hot, okay, what I'm going to do is take one of the smaller ones in the pack, and I'm going to go in this way because I want the knot to be on the bottom, so that when I pull it up you see the knot as if like, just as if you would any other like regular style. So I'm gonna go through here, going to put this on the latch, hook, pull up, and this is going to leave the knot at the bottom. And I'm gonna do that along the whole. So now y'all see how it looks with the knot is down here. So when I pull it up into the ponytail, boom, it's a knot. I'm gonna do that to this whole entire side, because I usually start pulling up like around back here, and then I'll do that to this side as well. But I'm almost done with the third pack, but I'm gonna start the edges. Now I'm just gonna go in regular. There's 16 individual braids, so I'll need a full pack and then one, so I'll make sure to just set a full pack aside and then save one from another pack to make sure that I have enough to do this. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just, you do the rubber band method, but start out with a braid and then twist it. That seems to be the easiest thing for me currently. So zoom in just a little bit, and you can see here it's in like 4 different tiers. So it's this, then you get another shorter piece, and then you get to the long piece. So what you want to do after you braid is you want to start with the shortest piece by itself, and I'll show you, it'll make more sense to give it that squiggly look. You're going to take this shortest piece by itself and wrap it around all 3 of these sections. And then once you get to the end of this one, you take the next shortest piece and wrap it around the remaining 2. And then you take the next shortest piece and wrap it around the remaining 1 piece. And that's how you get it squiggly. There's one that I didn't do that on, and it just kind of stayed straight, more like a Senegalese. And I'm not going to take it down and redo it because I'm just over it. But it stayed like that. So I finally had caught on and I was like, oh, I'm doing something wrong. Where is it at? This one right here. So I finally caught on and was like, oh, this is how you make it squiggly. So what you want to do is start off like you're making like a box braid, and you want it kind of offset. So it's like this. So you got, like I said, short piece, next shortest piece, next shortest piece, and then the longest piece, and it kind of goes down in a slope. And I went ahead and put some Let's Jam on it. So we're gonna start braiding. And you can braid as far down as you want when doing this. I'm gonna braid. I just want to make sure that it's like locked in. Okay, that feels secure. And now what we do is we want to find that shortest piece. This is my hair right here. Find the shortest piece. So this is the shortest piece, and since my hair is not too far off from the size of it, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into it. So I have that one really short piece, everything else like this. So then you just want to start twisting, and with this hair forward is the way that locks it in. So you see, and then you can't really tell that I even started off with a braid, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I have 3 pieces in this hand, my hair plus the 1 piece of the weave in the other, and we're just going to twist. You can twist as loose or as tight as you want. I find the looser it is, the better, the more crinkly it is. So yeah, we're going to do this, wrap it around all those pieces of hair. Let me back up some. And before I get all the way to the end of this piece, I add in the next shortest piece, which is this one. So now I'm borrowing from this side. Let me kind of separate it. And now once I get to the end of this one, it'll be 1 piece around 2 pieces. And that's just how I recognized it when I was taking it down, because I'm like, wait, I can't just take it down like from the top. I'm like, what's going on? So then I realized, oh, it's because of they were wrapping 1 piece around all of them pretty much, and so it was kind of difficult to take down. So now I'm almost to the end of this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in the next shortest piece. And now once we finish this one, it'll be a 1 to 1. So 1 to 1, and we just continue on. down. We back up some more. And this way also, once you finish this side right here, if you finish this side, all you'll have is the little curl from that one section left. And that's how they get these little perfect little squigglies at the end. So I was doing it completely wrong when I did the ones on this side, but I'm showing y'all the correct way. And if you're going for that Sunny Glees look, then hey, just split it into two and just go run with it. It takes less time to have a squiggly braid versus this side. Look at the difference. This side is more of like a Senegalese twist when you just do the two, and then this gives you like the squiggly look when you separate it into the 4 pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys one more time. So I took my twist out, y'all see the rubber band. Here we go again. I'm gonna show you guys again. So this is, well, I gotta offset it, there we go, put it back to how it was. Okay, so this right here is the shortest piece. Then this right here is the next shortest piece, the next shortest piece, and then the longest piece. So it goes like this. So we're gonna take the 2 and we're going to start a braid. So we take this, we go over this, so our hair is in the middle, and then we have a piece of the weave on both sides, and then we just start braiding as if we were doing a regular box braid. You don't have to do it this way. It's just I kept trying to do the regular way where you take the, you know, the 2 sides, then you twist them together, and then you make a twist all the way through, and it was just slipping so bad. I want to find the shortest piece, which is this one, and my hair, all of my hair, because my hair pretty much is the same length as the shortest piece. So what I want to do is take my hair in that short piece, and you want to start twisting. So as you can see, I have 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then I have my hair plus 1 piece, and my hair is in 2 strands because I took down 2 strand twist. And you just want to go ahead and start twisting. And you don't have to have the rubber bands in here to do it. It's just easiest for me. It helps me to like not slip so much when it comes to my own hair. Let it go some just to see if it's holding, and it is. So we know that we're twisting in the right direction, because if you're not, it's just gonna unravel and you're gonna have to do it over again. So this one is towards the face. And now we see on this one, this little bitty piece is right here. So next I go through, I look for the next shortest piece, which is this one, and I just continue to twist like nothing ever happened. So this is the finished result right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see all of the hair. And of course, if you need to and you find that some pieces are longer than others, you could just go in with some scissors and cut the ends. Side here is pretty much regular crochet, and then these are the individuals. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a half up, half down style. Yeah, there we go. Nice, cute style. We are done. And it didn't take me long at all. I think the total process, if I wouldn't have stopped and all that, probably was like 1 hour and 30 minutes. And really it's the individuals that took a little bit longer. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that bell up there to be notified on when I post new videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.